We're going to make bread today. Bread was very important for the Cookhouse. We're going to make molasses bread. It's a staple, of course, right, with bread and beans. We're going to use 8 cups of flour today. We're going to start to put our ingredients together. Need 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of molasses. I'm going to add some hot water to that. It'll take a minute or two. While the oats are softening, we're going to proof our yeast. And to do that, we're going to have 2.5 cups of water. And we need 2 teaspoons of sugar. Tablespoons of yeast. Be ready to go shortly. Our yeast has proofed. We're going to add our ingredients now to the flour. Slowly coming together. Our dough has risen.